Aging well wasn't even a concept I thought about. Then this past year, it all hit me at once. The afternoon naps I suddenly wanted, dyeing my hair every 2 to 3 weeks, trying to keep up with my routine doctor's appointments. Then my eye doctor saying the word cataracts. I'm getting older and I do not like it one bit. At first, I kept that feeling to myself, but holding it in did not make it go away. It just kept building until I could not ignore it anymore. There are 3 strategies that we're going to tell you about that help me stop worrying about my age and start thinking about actually aging well.
One day I asked Donna what was wrong because I could tell something was bothering you.
Oh yeah, you could read me so well. At first, I didn't say anything, but later, I sat down and told Terry all of it. Not just the gray hair and the cataracts. It felt like my body was changing faster than I could keep up with.
I had no idea all of this was piling up on you at once. I bet a lot of you watching have your own list too. Those signs of getting older, you feel like you're not that same young, vibrant person you used to be.
Yeah, and from what I've heard, a lot of women feel this way more than men do. But here's what I have come to understand. That doesn't mean something's wrong with me. It just means I'm paying attention and that I want to take care of myself. When I did open up to Terry, I did say out loud, man, I'm getting old.
When Donna told me all of that, I looked at her and I said, stop saying that, you're not getting old. I mean, I know we're all getting older, but I didn't want her thinking that because the moment you start telling yourself you're old, it becomes true faster than you think.
Well, I am aging like fine wine. He still reminds me of that sometimes since he knows that's the kind of thing I say about myself. And that day is when I started to realize it's okay to be aware of the aging process.
That's the first strategy, awareness. Awareness is wisdom. Making time for doctor appointments, going in for an eye exam, keeping track of your weight and calories, trying to eat healthier, going for walks. Yeah, most of us have to do these things more often as we get older, but being aware of them and taking care of them as best we can, that's not decline, that's wisdom.
The second strategy took me a minute to learn. As we mentioned, I did not tell Terry right away. When he asked me what was wrong, I just said, I'm fine. But holding it in did not help me. Telling him did. Once I told him how I was feeling, the weight of it got lighter. So the second strategy is this, to not keep it in. Process what you're feeling and then share it with someone that you trust.
I know that one firsthand. In recovery, the whole thing starts with saying the truth out loud instead of carrying it alone. That's not easy, but it's what actually works.
Once I stopped fighting how I felt and just accepted it, it got easier to accept other things too. I started watching YouTube videos about going gray on what women now call silver and finally joined a Facebook group for it. I only just joined, but what struck me was how welcoming everyone was. Being around people who were that open made it easier to accept things about myself too. I decided to let my hair go gray naturally. I'm not dyeing it and I'm done denying it. This stage isn't about holding on to who I used to be. It's about being at peace with who I am becoming. That same group is where I said something out loud for the first time. Someone asked me, what do I do? And I told them, I'm the co-founder of Rebuild with Clarity with my husband, Terry. I never introduced myself that way before.
Donna and I actually talked about that just this morning, that we should both start leading with co-founder when people ask us what we do. It's a small shift in words, but it's really a shift in how we see ourselves at this stage. That's the second strategy at work. Once you start sharing those, it gets easier to open up about other parts of your life too, like who you actually are now. Now here's the third strategy, adapt, don't abandon. Getting older doesn't mean giving up the things that matter to you. It means finding a new way to keep doing them.
Take our bike club. A lot of us have gotten e-bikes to keep up with the group, and that's the same reason I got mine. I'm just a slow rider, plain and simple. That part's never really had much to do with my age, but the fact that I kept riding anyway and kept finding a way to keep up, that part does.
And here's a great thing about how Donna and others in the club have adapted. We all get to ride together and enjoy each other's company. And sometimes they even pass me.
Just sometimes.
Here's what matters here. Whatever gets you out there and keeps you moving. That's not slowing down. That's staying active and staying engaged. And that's part of what aging well actually looks like. It's not about outrunning getting older, it's about doing it on your own terms, whatever that looks like for you.
For me, that meant giving whatever worry I had about getting old to God. Instead of dwelling on it, I focused on what I could control. Walking our dog, working on Rebuild with clarity, getting on my bike. With my eyes the way they are these days, I even picked up some fancy prescription sunglasses, because adapting doesn't stop at the big stuff. It's the little things too.
So if your body feels different, your energy feels different, or you are suddenly more aware of getting older than you were last year, come back to these 3 things. 1, awareness is wisdom. 2, process it and then share it. 3, adapt, don't abandon. Find a new way to keep doing what you love.
And when you're ready, we made a free guide to help you take your next steps forward. The link to get it free is in the comments below. And if this is the kind of work you want to go deeper on, that's what our Cornerstone Experience is built for.
We put out a new video every Sunday, so hit subscribe and we'll see you there. Getting older is just a transition, and transitions are where growth happens. We're right here with you.